Hey there, it's Vicki Marie, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really yummy pizza using a pizza crust with just two ingredients, flour and yogurt. I am preheating the oven to 425 degrees, and I've got my pizza pan here. I'm just going to spray it with some Pam on the pan. So I'm going to make pizza, and I'm just going to start off with some pepperoni, some mozzarella shredded cheese, some chopped onion, chopped black olives, green peppers. I have a container of this Greek yogurt, just the plain. I have some regular all-purpose flour, so I'm going to be adding baking powder to this to make it self-rising. And then I just have some spaghetti sauce. I don't really have pizza sauce, I'm just using spaghetti sauce. So first I'm going to make the crust. So first I'm going to start off with just adding my flour. And I've got my cup. I'm going to get 1 cup of flour. And because this is all-purpose and I need self-rising flour, I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so here's my teaspoon. Okay, now I'm just going to turn this. Let me get a spoon here. Oops. And now I'm going to add a cup of yogurt. And I'm just going to add just under a cup actually. And I'm going to stir it a little bit. And I'm going to stir this until it gets to be, until I can get these to combine, and I'm going to make a dough out of this. And I am going to end up using my hands. Eventually. And it's pretty well incorporated. I want to knead this for about 5 minutes to get it to the consistency we need. Okay, I've been rolling that out, or kneading it, and it looks, you can already see it's kind of plumped up. It looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hands clean and get my rolling pin out, and we're gonna go ahead and roll this out. And I wanna roll it in a circle so I can fit it into my pizza pan. I'm gonna get a little flour on my rolling pin here first. I have a little extra on this side, and I'm just gonna take that right off and move it right over here where it's a little thinner, and just push that in. That'll work just fine. Just smooth out these edges. And I'm just sort of smoothing out the edges, kind of crimping them a little just to give it some, like that little end crust there. Okay, I have a little flour on the bottom of the pan. I'm going to wipe that up, clean off the counter, and then we'll put some filling. I'm going to take some sauce and just pour it here. There's about, I mean, I haven't measured it, but I would say about half a cup maybe of sauce. And I'm going to get a little more. So I ended up using about a cup of sauce total. Okay, let me go let Roscoe out. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do cheese first. And I'm not measuring again, but I would say at least a cup of cheese. But you know, cheese, I think everybody likes cheese. We like a lot of cheese on our pizza. So this is a 8-ounce bag of mozzarella cheese, and I've used almost all of it. So I might as well finish it off. You can't really have too much cheese. So, all right, so that's an 8-ounce bag that I used. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use I just have 1 bell pepper that I chopped up. And this is a half of an onion. And about a half a can of black olives that I just chopped up into I had a little food chopper. I put them in because they were whole. You can buy them sliced, but I just bought the whole olives. And Roscoe wants in now. All right, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put my pepperoni on, and I'll just put as many as it takes to fill this up. This is let's see, this is a 7-ounce bag of pepperonis. Okay, so I've used not even quite a half a pack of these. So I started off with a 7-ounce pack of pepperonis. I haven't even used half the pack on here, so not too bad. And this is a pretty big size pizza pan. I'll measure it and let you know how much. So this is about 16 inches in diameter. Right, so that's the pizza. I'm going to put that in the oven at 425, and I'm going to leave it in for about 8 minutes. This is a pretty thin crust. So, and you could double the crust recipe and make it a thicker crust, but I mean, that's a good large size pizza right there. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but if you ordered, this would be about a large pizza if you order it from a restaurant. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and put this in for about 10 minutes and then I'll check on it. This came out really nice. Took about 15 minutes to cook. It is a thinner crust. You can double it and thicken the crust if you want, but I think this is gonna be good for us, and it's crispy. It's very crispy. So I'm gonna cut this up and see what John thinks. So this is dinner. What do you think about the pizza?
It looks delicious.
Yeah, it really turned out good. This crust, and this is, I think, the cheese, but yeah, the crust, it's thin, and you can add make the dough thicker if you just, maybe double the recipe. I just did 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of yogurt, just under 1 cup of yogurt.
It looks delicious.
So I'm going to use a fork, although I'm going to pick this up so you can kind of see how nice that crust
It's very nice
looks. All right, let's take a bite, John.
Is it okay to eat it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Take a bite.
All right.
He's been very, very patient. And I'm making this actually on Tuesday for dinner. And, bit of trivia, it's National Pizza Day. I didn't even know that.
Sweet.
I'm just...
So the timing was just
Timing
perfect.
was perfect. I didn't even realize that it was National Pizza Day.
Wow. This is delicious. I love all the toppings.
That's good.
Wow. I don't think we need to go out to eat anymore.
It's actually really good, huh?
It is.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Ooh, I'm impressed in Italian for National Pizza Day.
I know.
And it's got the yogurt and the crust, making it a little higher in protein, healthier.
Very delicious.
Just use spaghetti sauce. You can use pizza sauce if you want. I just use spaghetti sauce for the sauce. So I
Very
use
good.
the classico tomato basil is what I used.
Yep. Even the dog's jumping on me. He wants to taste.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Give this a try. Let us know what you think. And take care. Subscribe if you haven't already.
Yep. See you later.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.